reminder and someone sent you here.
Here are some medicines. This one is for your digestive system and this one is for your renal. Mr. Lee, why you give me the renal medicine? Since I only have abdominal pain. Let me explain to you. Actually, our digestive system is extensively integrated with other systems of our body. You understand the relationship between digestive system and other body system after you watching this. Let me show you.
Now we are going to talk about interaction between digestive system and the urinary system. It is both of these systems work together assisted by the circulatory system along with hormones and other chemical substances. The interactions between both of the systems involve waste removal, water and sodium balance, and also calcium absorption. Now we'll move on to waste removal. For waste removal, the toxic ammonia in liver is converted into urea. This urea is transported to the kidney via the circulatory system. In the kidney, urea is converted into urine and urine is excreted out of the body involving the urinary system. For water and sodium balance, when kidney detects low blood pressure, it produces an enzyme, renin, that is sent to the liver. Renin helps liver to produce a substance that is then delivered to the adrenal gland. At the adrenal gland, this substance is then converted to aldosterone, which is a hormone. Hormone aldosterone stimulates kidney to retain sodium and water. Thus, the blood pressure could be increased and restored to normal level. The third one is calcium absorption. As the skin is exposed to the sunlight, it synthesizes chemicals. These chemicals is transported to the liver, and in the liver, this chemical is then converted to a form of vitamin D. Vitamin D can also be obtained from dietary intake. As this form of vitamin D is transported from the liver to the kidney, it is converted into calcitriol. Calcitriol contributes to increased calcium absorption in the small intestine from the food that we have digested. Second one is urinary calcium reabsorption could be assisted. And third one, increased bone mineralization.
Cardiovascular system is one of the systems that integrated with the digestive system. The enteric system or the gut, which contains many digestive organs, requires about 30% of all cardiac output. This large amount of blood needed for ongoing digestive functions is the basis for the interrelation of the two systems. Generally speaking, the digestive system breaks down food that is consumed. The system acts to divide the food into necessary components like vitamins and nutrients and also allows for absorption of these nutrients into the bloodstream. The circulatory system acts to move these necessary nutrients around the body as well as transport unwanted material. All the functions of the cardiovascular system in the digestive system has been listed as follows. In order to provide more energy to the heart, lungs, and muscle, the nervous system will inhibit or slow down the digestion by directing blood flow away from the digestive tract. The peripheral nervous system is responsible for stimulating digestion by increasing blood flow to the digestive tract, and the peripheral nervous system also stimulates salivary gland secretion and increase peristalsis. This will increase the digestion of food and absorption of nutrients. The autonomic nervous system will control digestive functions such as secretion of saliva from the salivary glands, peristalsis to move food along the digestive tract, gastric acid production in the stomach, sphincter open and closing, hormone release from glands in the digestive system, and the storing energy in the form of fat. As for the endocrine system, The primary role of the endocrine system is to produce important hormones that tell the digestive system when to start digesting food and when to stop. Hormones coordinate activity along the tract. Epinephrine and norepinephrine stimulate constriction of sphincter and depress digestive activity. Digestive system will provide nutrients and substrate to endocrine cells. This endocrine cell of pancreas will secrete insulin and glucagon. Insulin and glucagon are the hormones that help to regulate the amount of sugar in the blood.
Next, I'll explain about the connection between skeletal system and also digestive system. The skeletal system cannot produce its own calcium to strengthen itself. It depends on digestive system. When a person eats food that contain calcium and phosphorus, the body breaks down the food into smaller molecules that can be absorbed by the body into the bloodstream. The smaller molecules of calcium and phosphorus are then delivered into the bone tissue that need them for repair and to strengthen themselves. Besides that, skeletal system also protect the digestive system by covering it and also acts as a shock absorber and prevent mechanical and stressful damage to the interior parts of the body. Digestive system provide energy that skeletal muscle requires for its various needs such as muscle contraction to the food. Next, I'll talk about how the lymphatic system is integrated with digestive system. For the first 3 points, I will talk about how the lymphatic system affects the digestive system. Lymphatic system contains lymph nodes which filter the lymph fluid to remove pathogens and other abnormalities. Thus, tonsils and other lymphoid nodules along the digestive tract defend against infection and toxins absorbed from the tract. Lymphatic system removes excessive fluid from the tissue, which help to prevent accumulation of edema in the organ of digestive system. Lymphatic system also carries absorption of fats and fat-soluble vitamin from the digestive system. Villi lines the small intestine contain lactose. The fat and fat-soluble vitamins are absorbed by the lacteals. The great network of lymphatic system which serve the intestine also transport nutrient substance from the food. For the last point, I will explain how digestive system affect lymphatic system. Secretion of digestive tract, for example acid and enzyme, provide non-specific defense against pathogen which indirectly aid with lymphatic system which defend the body against pathogens.